Hello and welcome to my channel. It's Wednesday, so we are doing a baking video and we are doing a bunch of Easter baking videos. You can't really do Easter without a bunny rabbit. So this week we made these just really easy little bunny rabbit cupcakes. These are very simple. You could definitely do these with kids. The ears are made out of marshmallows, and if you cut them in half, the kids can definitely dip them in the sprinkles and assemble the face and everything. They're very simple, and they just have a cute little bunny rabbit face. I use chocolate cupcakes, but you can definitely use any type of cupcake. And then vanilla buttercream, large marshmallows with some pink sprinkles. And the eyes and the whiskers are made out of candy melts. I use black candy melts to make those. You could definitely just use like chocolate chips or sprinkles or whatever you have on hand if you don't want to do the candy melts. So keep watching and I will show you how I'm gonna make these. Okay, so you're gonna get some large marshmallows, and these we're going to be using for the ears of our bunny. So just the normal size large marshmallows. You don't need like the jumbo ones, just these ones. And then get some pink sprinkles, kind of whatever type of pink sprinkles that you have or that you want to use. And we're just gonna put those in a bowl. And then basically you're going to cut your marshmallow on an angle, like across like this. You can use a knife as well, but I find scissors work really nice. And then it'll be kind of sticky on the inside, so that part you're going to put into your sprinkles, and the sprinkles will stick because it is all sticky in there. And you can kind of just shake or rub off the excess ones, so you have your little bunny ears. So you take your marshmallow, cut it diagonally across, then take the sticky part, dip it in your sprinkles, and then just kind of dab off the excess. Okay, for the eyes and like the whiskers, I'm going to take some black candy melts and put them in a decorating bag. And then I just tied the top off with a rubber band. And then I'm gonna pop this in the microwave on half power for 30-second intervals, each time taking it out and just going like this until it is completely melted. While that is melting in the microwave, I'm gonna get a piece of wax paper ready to put my stuff onto. I usually use wax paper, but I don't appear to have any wax paper, so I'm gonna use some parchment. Okay, so this is melted. I'm going to cut a very small hole in the edge, and then I'm just going to do some little circles for the eyes. And then you can kind of just gently like go like that and they smooth out. I just do a bunch so that if some don't turn out as good or too big or too small, I just have like that one. And then you can just set aside or put in the fridge. I usually just pop them in the fridge. For the whiskers, I'm just going to do some lines. If they're too big, you can always go back later and break them, but I'm just gonna kind of maybe make some smaller. You're gonna need a lot of whiskers because each bunny needs like 4 or 6, kind of depending on what you want. And basically when you're done, you're just going to pop this in the fridge. You can also just leave it out and they will harden, but I like to put it in the fridge. Okay, now I'm going to get another decorating bag, and I'm just going to do a open circle tip on the end, and I'm going to fill it with white buttercream. Okay, so I'm gonna take my cupcake with my round circle tip, go all the way around. Basically, just kind of create a heap of icing on this guy. I do like 3 layers up like that. Then I'm gonna take my offset spatula and just smooth it around a little bit. This is totally like preference. If you prefer how it looks not being smooth, then you don't have to smooth it out, but I feel like it looks a bit more like a bunny. So you got just kind of a little mountain, a little tiny mountain. Then I'm gonna go with my ears. I'm just gonna kind of gently place them until I'm 100% sure where I want everything. And we got our little eyes. Then using this, I'm going to make a nose, just like a dollop in the center for the little bunny nose. And then add the whiskers, just kind of poke them behind the little bunny nose. They do break, so you gotta like be semi-gentle. And then I'm just going to press the ears in a little better. And then you have a little bunny rabbit. Very cute. Okay, so that is all there is to making these cute little bunny rabbit cupcakes. They're definitely a necessity for Easter, is you need to do something bunny rabbit themed. So this was super fun and very easy, and they're just cute little bunny rabbits. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next week. I have quite a few different Easter baking videos as well as just other baking videos, so you can check those out if you want to watch more, and I will see you in the next video. Thank you.